In this video, you will learn how to use Lexis AI to address common cite checking issues, including incorrect citations in an article using the Get a Doc assistance, incorrect citation formats using Copy Advanced, and incomplete or missing citations using a term search through the Lexis research system or a prompt within Protégé. Begin by going to Lexis AI and accessing the research system. When you are cite checking an article and run across an incorrectly abbreviated citation, use the Get a Doc assistant. Let's say that the article cites to Arizona's administrative code as Arizona Ad Code R655001. If you were to enter this search on Lexis AI, you would get an error because this is an incorrect citation. To find the correct citation, go to Explore, Tools, then access the Get a Doc assistance. Select the content type, Administrative Codes and Regulations, Jurisdiction, Arizona. Quickly and easily find that the correct format is AAC, Section R. Click this link and enter 6-5-5001. You retrieve AAC R655001. Now you have the correct citation and can verify the content. Note the administrative code summary at the top of the page generated by Protégé to help you quickly understand the content of this code section. Another common issue you will need to address when conducting a cite check is an incorrect citation format or citations that are not aligned with Blue Book rules. When you are viewing a document within Lexis+, you can quickly get the correct citation format by highlighting text within the document, then clicking Copy Advanced. Select the citation format Standard. This is the format that aligns with the rules in the Blue Book. You can deselect Copy as Hyperlink if desired, decide if the parenthetical date should be included, then click Apply and the citation will be formatted correctly. Click Copy and Close to add the citation to your clipboard so that you can paste it in the article as you're making corrections. Please note that you should always confirm the citation and application to the current edition of the Blue Book. Finally, you may find citations that are incomplete or material that is not cited at all, for which you need to generate a footnote. In these instances, you can run a term search through Lexis AI to properly attribute the material. For example, let's say that the author references a law review article discussing a renewable parcel, but provides only a partial citation or omits the citation completely. To generate the correct citation, go to the Lexis research system and enter the term search renewable parcel using quotes for the phrase. Then select the source category, secondary materials, and read through the results list to find the correct authority to cite. You can also harness the power of legal AI through Protégé to find authority when there is incomplete or missing citations. Simply enter a prompt based on the author's text within the article, such as, find cases in the Second Circuit where the materiality requirement of a summary judgment motion was discussed. Protégé will generate a response from the trusted, accurate content from within the Lexis database of cases, statutes, constitutions, agency decisions, practical guidance materials, and exclusive treatises. This prompt will run through the primary and secondary content on Lexis+, then the response will be generated with inline linked citations, so you can easily find and cite to the correct authority in the article. You now know how to use Lexis AI to address common cite checking issues, including incorrect citations, incorrect citation formats, and incomplete or missing citations. Please contact your Lexis representative to learn more.